How to assemble foreign mannequin together. In today's video, I'm showing how to easily assemble the dress foam foreign mannequin for me. You can see the hands. It is that of a skeleton shape. That is the hanger. Bring out the hands. First thing first, you need to assemble the stand. So there's a iron pole, you insert it inside the wooden stand. Thereafter, there is a bolt. 14, you need a 14 or a screwdriver to attach it together. Make sure you tighten it very well so that the mannequin will not fall down. Thereafter, that is number 1. It has to be 3, and the bolt too has to be 3. That is the second one, and that is the last one to make it stand very well. After you might have completed the stand, as you are looking at the video, yes, we are done with stage 1. That is the stand. The stage 2 will focus on the trouser hanger. It depends on the pattern you want to use. There is a small bolt. If you wish, you can tighten it as well, and you can leave it firm. You can use it, you can leave it to move, depends on your taste, but let's make it professional by tightening the bolt. You can raise it to any level that you want, depending on the height of your customer. Next up is the trouser stand. Here, you can decide to make the trouser stand 45-degree up or 90-degree down, depends on your taste. Here is just for tutorial sake. You can turn it up. Like I said, to make it professional, turn it up. Make it around 90-degree up. Need the bolt as well. And the last, yes, we are trying to attach the header with it, and just follow the prompt in the video. Hole, that is where the pole will enter therein. You can choose anyone you want to use between the two. And there is the bolt inside it, which you tighten. You can raise it depend on the height of the customer you want to, or the dress you want to use. And then lastly, you attach the hands by just simple rotation to the right hand side. I repeat, you rotate the hand clockwisely. The one at the right hand side will be rotated clockwisely so that it will tighten to the expected radius. You see, you can adjust it depend on what you want to achieve. Your left hand will be rotated anti-clockwisely. When I mean anti-clockwisely, you will rotate it to your left hand so that it will become the shape you require, and that is the final stage. This is how to easily assemble a skeleton dress foam mannequin that is foreign. Subscribe for more videos and updates from Gig Valley Machines. Thank you.